Mic not working in Fortnite? Don't worry, I've got you covered. Here's a quick fix to get your voice chat back in the game. Open Fortnite and go to the main menu. Click on your profile in the top right corner. Then select the gear icon for your settings, and then go to the Communications tab. Under Voice Chat Input Device, make sure that your mic is selected. If your desired mic is already your default microphone in Windows settings, then you can simply select default input. Otherwise, use the right or left arrows to select the microphone that you want to use. Additionally, also make sure that voice chat method is not set to mute. Use either open mic or push to talk. Open mic so your teammates and friends can hear you whenever you want. And push to talk is when you need to press a button to talk. So this will help you prevent from accidentally saying things that you didn't want to say. If that's still not working, check your Windows settings. Right-click the sound icon on your taskbar and select Sound Settings. Under Input, choose the microphone that you want to use and make sure that the volume is up. And if that still does not work, then you can check your audio drivers, which you can look at by going to the device manager and updating your drivers there through selecting the microphone that you want to use. And that's it. Your mic should be working now. Drop in and communicate with your squad. Like and follow for more quick Fortnite tips.